So we're gonna be doing a movie
that we did a trailer on a few days ago.
Yep, it was on May 1st.
May 15th.
Yep. Today's May 17th. We're gonna do the movie now. Well, it's called The Fidget Spinner Mystery. So let's get started in the backyard. So we're in the backyard trying to look for the fidgets. Hear them,
We better find them.
Just
checking here.
Or else we won't get any views. And if you're watching this, please give us a view.
No, they already gave us a view if they're watching it.
Nothing here.
And let's just this is our first. This is one of our first videos.
No,
Let's try to hit only a few likes on this video.
Like 5.
5. I'm fine with that.
Okay, so oh, that one.
It's over there.
Found
And then we need to unlock a secret door.
Nope. We have to find all of them to unlock.
There's dogs in the back here.
Try another one.
Oh god, but we need to find the hardest one to find.
Oh.
The galaxy.
Oh God.
Where are we gonna find that one?
Up there. Oh no.
We need to go up there. Let's go back in the backyard.
Yeah, let's check in there. Still haven't found the fidgets. That's the galaxy. Nothing's up there.
But we can't go. Wait! We can ask this person for the fidget. Where's the fidget? Where's... Wait, we need to check more in the backyard because you never know if it's here.
We didn't check it all over the backyard.
But I didn't record. We didn't record it. No, it was just never.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
We're looking for it. Wait, doesn't orange mean the sun?
Yeah. But don't. It's a dangerous bomb. It's a dangerous bomb, dude.
Be careful.
No, it's a dangerous bomb. It blows up when you touch it.
Alright, don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm getting it out, but I see it right there. I have to get it out without attention.
But we need to find the materials for it.
Okay, let's go. 6.
We need them.
This one probably works. Let's go check it.
No, but then it's gonna blow up the stick. Or throw the stick away. It's not gonna work, I'm telling you that.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh God. You did it.
We finally got them all. But where's the secret door? That's the question. We need to find the secret door.
I think I know. Pretend we haven't looked in the Okay, let's go. during a movie. Okay.
Maybe. No, but there's no fidgets. No. But then where is it?
Unlock the other door. There's another door.
Where's another?
Oh, first. You need this one to unlock it. Okay, hold this.
But there's nothing in here. There's no fidgets.
Now, we can pause it.
Oh god.
This is what takes us. See, I see the secret hideout.
We lost one of our fidgets.
That one.
Oh god. Oh, I just heard a gunshot. What do you think that means? I think that means fidgets are near.
Oh god. Let these fidgets.
I heard another one.
Ah! Who's playing us? Ah!
Ah, God, no.
Okay, hide that one. Where did we put the other one? Secret.
I don't know.
Found it. It's in the whole building fell off.
We're still in the air, though.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, there's an evil guy spraying water at us. Oh, God. Is that what we just did for nothing? We just put fidgets? Oh, snap! Snap! Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. No! Okay.
In your face, Damon.
No! Get the fidgets! No! Get it! Unlock it! Unlock it!
Go right here. Where's the red one? Good. There. We did it.
We unpaused it.
We're on a different planet.
Wait, it's... Oh, look at how wet it got.
Let me see. Did it get wet?
No, it's still...
Oh, if it
It's
got
okay.
wet, that was good. So they can tell what happened. And dude, it would be cool if it got really wet. Oh god, I see a soccer ball.
Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God.
Okay, that's the end of the...
Goodbye! Stay epic.